What's going on? What's going on? What is going on? It's your boy Nori, the host of the Gliding On Twos channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Here I am on a Monday afternoon, riding through downtown Columbia, South Carolina. Now I'm just going to be driving around, got nothing better to do, well I should say riding around, and I'm going to hope to bring you some roadside attractions. Stay tuned. Yep, I'm gonna hope to bring y'all all some roadside attractions today. I quite don't know where there are, so I'm just gonna be driving around and hopefully I find some for you. We shall see. I don't know, but this light is taking forever in the day. But yes, how y'all all doing today? I'm not doing pretty bad. Not doing pretty bad at all. The sun is out. What more can I ask for? You know what I'm saying? Alright, the sun is out and I woke up this morning. What more can you ask for? But yes, let's see if I can not catch a red light over here and turn left. But yeah, I've been watching you know, a whole bunch of videos on roadside attractions, and I figured I'd go find some for myself and see, hopefully I can. But I ain't got too much to say, so just sit back and enjoy the ride until I find some. We shall see. I think I found my first roadside attraction. Can y'all see that up front? What in the world does that look like to you all? Man, now that I got this bus on this, yep, ain't making, I gotta get on this right lane because I got to stop for this. Look up front and see what you see here. Oh, I gotta find me some parking because, yeah, I'm not paying for no parking over here. I'm not paying for no parking over here. Let me look behind me. Look at that. Let me see something. Can y'all see what's behind me? Look at that fire hydrant. Look, let me get off of the bike and get over there. Look at the size of that. Look at the size of that, boy. That is a humongous fire hydrant. I'll tell you that much. Look at that, right here on in downtown, in the parking lot. I guess I just tried looking it up, and it was constructed in 2001 by a local artist here called, I guess that goes by the name of Blue Sky. That's something else right there. That thing is as tall as some of this building. Just to let you, for comparison, look at the building right across the street from it. I mean, it's bigger than that building. And you know what's funny? Let me show you what's funny. What's funny is they got these no dog peeing signs all around it. But the only dog that's gonna pee on this thing is Big Red. How many of y'all remember the Big Red Dog, that cartoon? that was man, that came out a long time ago. And I think the name was Big Red, but I don't remember either. But that thing is humongous. Yes, a humongous piece of artwork right there. I guess, yeah, man. Let me keep riding around and see what I see. Check it out. Check it out. What's behind me right here? Look at this tunnel. Y'all think I should ride my motorcycle right through that tunnel right there? Look at that thing. That's actually a painting on the side of a building. See that? A painting on the side of a building. It was painted back in 1975. All right. 1975 is called Tunnel Sign. And on top it says, from the unreal, lead us to the real. And then from darkness, lead us to the light. That's a masterpiece. I need to ride through there and see what happens. It might be a little like one of those sci-fi fiction films, fringe films. Maybe if I ride up to it, it opens up a black hole to another dimension. How about that? But that's unreal. Look at that thing. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. Time for me to go ahead and keep moving on and see if I can find something else. Looks like my face is kind of dark. Let's see here. And then find something else. But let's keep it rolling. On the road again. Oh yes, Snorri's on the road again. Hey, trying to keep it lively up in here. But yeah, today's roadside attraction day, and I'm just out and about, like I said, trying to find what I can find. But I do tell you what, I really do hate riding around downtown. But for today, it's a must. Woo! Give it some gas. Maybe I'll find me a good spot to eat down here also. So it's lunchtime, and I'm starting to get a little hungry. All I had this morning was some coffee. Yes. Oh man, I'm in the wrong lane. And across the street we have the State House, the governor's mansion, whatever you want to call it. Uh-oh, I think I see something else up here. Oh, let me slow down the signal because this car behind me. Uh-oh. Look what we have found here. Holy moly. Look at that thing right there. Oh yeah, let me stop right here. That is one huge cock right there. Check that out. ain't that a hoop? Oh Lordy. Let me walk around to the front of that thing. Look at that. Look at that thing right there. That's humongous. Yep. But just a little narrative on yes, it's a cock, okay? And because right here in Columbia, South Carolina, we got U of SC, which is the University of South Carolina, and their sports teams are called Gamecocks. Okay, I repeat, Gamecocks. And that's what we have here. Yep. Another good find for today. I'll see y'all here in a minute. Well, well, well. I hope y'all found those roadside attractions, you know, quite amusing. And that's all I'm gonna find for today. And this is gonna be the end of the video. So with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed what I have previewed for you all today and showed you all. And then of course, until next time, enjoy your ride.